Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Chrome version and signing into your profile so settings sync across devices. Once done, open a fresh window to avoid extension interference. This makes visual changes visible immediately. Next, go to the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Settings. This is where Theme, Appearance, and Toolbar options live. Make sure you have at least one backup profile or a sync-enabled Google account so you can restore defaults if needed. Now you'll adjust appearance and the toolbar to match your workflow. In Settings Appearance, pick a theme or click Reset to Default if colors clash. Themes change browser Chrome and new tab backgrounds. Adjust page zoom and enable the Home button for quick access. Then, manage extensions. Pin the ones you use and hide the rest so the toolbar stays uncluttered. Finally, toggle the bookmarks bar and organize folders so your top bar remains efficient and readable. Finish by fine-tuning advanced options and validating changes. Open Settings Advanced to clear cache, reset settings, or check system flags for experimental UI tweaks. Use these sparingly. If appearance doesn't apply, sign out and sign back into your profile to refresh syncing rules. When things go wrong, restart Chrome and disable extensions one by one to isolate conflicts. If that fails, use Reset Settings to restore defaults while preserving bookmarks and passwords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.